Hello everyone. If you're getting this error 0x800F0831 when you're trying to install any update from Windows, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to fix that annoying Windows Update error on your computer. So first of all, what you're going to do is you're going to open up the start menu, you're going to right click command, you're going to right click on command prompt, click run as administrator, click yes on here, and here you're going to put four of these commands in. I'm going to leave these commands into the description of the video. So you're going to put this command in first, press enter on here. And once you do that, it will scan the health of your computer. And after that, you're going to go ahead and put this command in. And once you do that, it will try to check the health of your computer. And after that, you're going to paste this command in. It will restore your files and try to fix the problem. And after you do that, you're going to go ahead and put this command in lastly. And then when you're done, you're going to go ahead and restart your computer. And after you restart your computer, you'll see when you try to update your computer through Windows Update that you won't get that error anymore. So if you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you in my next video. Peace.